Affiliate marketing. How to become a seven-figure affiliate marketer in today's digital world. Affiliate marketing refers to the process of product creation and marketing using third-party resources and sharing revenue with all the parties involved, according to their contribution. Affiliate marketing is a phrase that you might have stumbled across online. There are tens of thousands of articles telling you why you must be minting money with affiliate marketing, and you might feel a little left out if your bank account isn't clocking up cash while you are sleeping. What exactly is affiliate marketing and how can you make use of it for generating a steady stream of passive income for yourself? To put it simply, affiliate marketing is the process of promoting or selling someone else's product or service. You earn a commission on any of the sales made or click through to a given affiliate site. Doesn't that sound quite simple? In theory, you can have a website, blogger or channel without any products or services of your own. It can be a blog, an online journal, or anything similar to it. As long as there is some relation to the product or the service, you are set. Maintaining a website costs money, and with affiliate marketing, you can cover all those costs and earn more money. It doesn't cost the owner anything to sign up for an affiliate program, and the business owner doesn't have to pay anything until he makes a sale. So, it is a win-win situation for both parties involved. In this book, you will learn all that you need to become a good affiliate marketer and entrepreneur. You will learn about affiliate marketing, the traits of a good entrapper, the ways in which you can start affiliate marketing, the right tools and platforms to use, and the steps to market your product effectively. Apart from this, you will learn the ways in which you can sell anything to anyone, the tips to close deals successfully, steps to develop good presentation skills, interpersonal skills, and all the other things that you need to become a successful entrepreneur. So, what are you waiting for? Grab this book ASAP and begin your journey as an affiliate marketer ASAP. Share some of your experiences so others can benefit from that. Thank you for watching. You are awesome. Need advice on growing your YouTube channel? Want more views and subscribers? Then join our channel to be notified. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time.